Hey there. I welcome you to this platform. This course is designed to provide a foundational understanding of the shooting star candlestick and its significance in technical analysis. Walk with me as we unveil this together. Before anything, what is a candlestick pattern? A candlestick pattern is a visual representation of price movements in a specific time frame. It is a fundamental tool in technical analysis used to predict future price movements based on historical patterns. Now, each candlestick has four essential components. Open price, which is the price at which the asset begins trading for the time period. Close price, which is the price at which the asset ends trading for the time period. High price, which is the highest price reached during the time period. And lastly, low price, which is the lowest price reached during the time period. As for the anatomy of a candlestick, a green or white body indicates a bullish session while a red or black body indicates a bearish session. The thin lines above and below the real body representing the high and low prices of the session. Candlestick patterns helps to determine whether the market is bullish or bearish, identify potential turning points in price movement, and confirm that a trend is likely to persist. Moving on to how the shooting star forms in a trading session. The shooting star forms during a single trading session and represents a battle between buyers and sellers. Session open. The price opens at a level that reflects bullish sentiment carried over from the previous session or trend. Then, strong buying pressure. Here, buyers dominate the market initially, driving the price significantly higher. This creates the long upper shadow. You following? Then the emerging selling pressure. As the price reaches a higher level, selling pressure builds. This can be due to profit-taking, overbought conditions, or fundamental factors. Finally, bearish takeover. Here, sellers push the price down, erasing most or all of the earlier gains. The session closes near or just above the opening price, leaving a small real body near the bottom of the candlestick. Are we good on this? We move to the importance of the shooting star in signaling potential reversals. First, bearish reversal signal. The shooting star often appears at the peak of an uptrend, signaling a potential shift from bullish to bearish momentum. Second, market sentiment shift. The pattern shows that the bulls were unable to maintain their dominance and sellers took control by the session's end. This shift in sentiment warns traders that the upward momentum is weakening. Third, confirmation is key. The shooting star should be followed by confirmation such as a bearish candlestick in the next session, increased trading volume on the shooting star day or the confirmation day, proximity to a resistance level or overbought indicators like RSI. Fourth, high probability signal in context. When combined with other technical tools, for example support and resistance levels, trend lines or oscillators, the shooting star becomes a reliable indicator of a potential reversal. Are we following? Let's have example of the shooting star in action. Imagine a stock trading at $100 in an uptrend. Open price $100, high price $110. Wow, looks like the bulls push higher, low price $99. Oops, minimal downward movement. Then close price $101. Quite fair, the bears regain control now. This session forms a shooting star, warning traders that the uptrend may reverse. If the next candlestick closes lower, for example, at $98, the reversal signal is confirmed. Do you get that? Let's analyze a hypothetical scenario where Tesla's stock forms a shooting star pattern. Tesla's stock has been in a strong uptrend, moving from $200 to $250 over the past few weeks, fueled by positive market sentiment and strong earnings results. The trading session data: open price $250, high price $270, price pushed higher by strong buying pressure during the session. Low price $248, minimal downward movement during the session. Close price $251, sellers took control, erasing most of the session's gains. Are we clear on this? Okay, thanks for joining this wonderful session. Trust me, more to come. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to this platform.